And just like that, Izingane's Sthembu is finally back on our screens, and I cannot wait to see what's going to unfold this season. Make sure you do watch it, guys. And guess what? I will be doing a review on this episode. And before I give you my commentary based on what happened yesterday, please, guys, disclaimer: we are not allowed to post clips on YouTube. We are not allowed to post those clips. If we end up posting those clips, unfortunately, they're gonna end up, banning our accounts, and we can't risk losing our accounts. Do you understand now? Does it make sense there at the back? Does it make sense? Okay. So let's get that out of the way and focus on what happened between Lwandle and a baby mama yakhe. The DNA issue. Everyone is talking about the DNA issue. There are many people who are dragging Umakele for requesting the DNA from this girl. Do you understand? Many people are furious at Umakele. They're calling her beta. They're calling her this and this and this. But anyway, let us get into today's conversation. Izingane's Sthembu season 3. So, guys, Lwandle's girlfriend gave birth to this cute baby boy. Makele said DNA shall be conducted to prove the child's paternity. I want to focus on this first, right? Guys, as a mother, one thing about me, I'm a mother of one, right? I'm over, like, I sometimes I feel like I'm being too much. I'm overprotective, especially when it comes to my child. Do you understand? I would literally do anything to protect my child from evil people. Even if it means I have to pray for him 24/7. Listen, I will do that as long as my child is protected. So in this case, I don't think Omakele was bitter, was wrong to request a DNA or a paternity a DNA from this woman. Maybe she saw signs, maybe she knew something that we didn't know of. And mind you, this is a reality TV show. Do you understand? Amaphatsi amanye azokhathiwa so that you guys can talk, right? So I don't think she was wrong to do that. Maybe she had her own reason for requesting the DNA from the mother, right? So yeah, that's what I think. But I stand to be corrected. If you see it somehow, you are allowed to comment down below and tell me what you think. View pictures of the DNA results. Well, apparently Lwandle is not the apparently Lwandle is not the father. Lwandle, you are not the father. Okay, fine. Apparently Lwandle is not the father. Baby mama is insistent that the baby is his. God knows how bad I wanted this baby to be Lwandle's. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's his? But anyway, guys, let us get into it. If the baby is not Lwandle's, then what is this girl doing on the screen? What is this girl doing on the show? Make it make sense. Or are the rumors true when they say these shows are scripted? Because this doesn't make sense. If the baby is not Lwandle's, what are you doing? What are you doing on our screen, lady? What are you doing? And again, this lady is insisting that the baby is Lwandle's. Guys, there's something that I don't understand. Does it mean they forged the paternity results? Maybe they forged them. Because this doesn't make sense. Hey guys, I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, guys, please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this. And I will definitely come back with another video after this one. Bye.